Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Autoclose on the application of Duolingo. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search about the application of Duolingo. Here in this page of app info, we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.